Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. So this week we got a letter from a community member by the name of Crystal, and she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt. Hi Crystal. I'm kind of new to your channel, but I'm an instant fan." Oh, thanks Crystal. "We are getting married in Santa Fe, New Mexico, and are having a fiesta themed wedding. I just watched your pumpkin floral DIY, ooh, that's one of my favorites, and it was beautiful. I definitely want to use materials that are affordable because we are on a strict budget. The problem is how to make it look elegant, yes, fiesta themed. I really would appreciate your help in any way." Well, Crystal, it is our pleasure to bring your fiesta centerpiece to the party. We are so excited that you allowed us to be a part of your fantastic fiesta-themed wedding day. So, with that being said, this week's project is our Festive Fiesta Wedding Centerpiece. All right, let's get started. So I think the most important thing to capture the fiesta theme is to have a vase that really kind of brings you to that Southwest feel. Now this vase I was fortunate enough to purchase on a trip to the rainforest. Well, those vases were upwards of anywhere from $30 to $50, $60 a piece, okay, because they're hand painted and hand glazed. Well, that is not going to fit in our budget. So I'm going to show you how to create that same feel with this vase I got from the Dollar Tree. So let's watch and see how this very simple step of painting this vase changes it completely to our Southwest feel. Well, Crystal, I hope that our Festive Fiesta Centerpiece is going to add that touch of elegance that you desire. Thank you so much for allowing us to make this plan for your special day. If you like this video, by all means go ahead and like it. Subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. Click on that description box, the little upside down triangle or arrow, to find the links to all the supplies, both US and international, as well as the project cost. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter so you will know exactly what's going on with MissPlanIt as soon as we know. You can also get connected to our blog post through our newsletter also, that has so much important information to help you make a plan and plan to save. You can also find our links to Ebates, because we are all about making our money work for us. In addition to that, there's a link to the bridal registry as well as a link to our website. If you go ahead to our website, you can go ahead and look at all of the awesome blog posts that gives you the extra information you need to make a plan and plan to save. In addition, if there's a project request that we can help you with, go ahead and go to our website, MissPlanIt.com, click on the project request tab, and follow the easy steps. Guys, we are here to serve. We are here to create a plan just for you. In addition, you can follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. We love your comments. Your feedback just, it pushes us, guys. It makes us better. So just continue to give us those wonderful words of encouragement in our comment section. And don't forget, post those projects. We love seeing your creations. It makes us so excited to see how you've taken a plan and made it your own. And with that being said, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. See you soon. Take care. God bless.